This is the first page that you open, and this will kind of walk you through what to do on this spreadsheet, as well as give you any contact information so you can get in touch with me if you need to. So if we go to the first tab, which is the categories tab, this is where you come up with your categories that you think are important for your business or that you have in your business, or really, I just wanted to make sure it was customizable. You can also change the currency that is on the screen because I know not everybody is US dollar. So like I mentioned, this is where the income and expense categories that will be used throughout the spreadsheet come from. And so you just pretty much begin typing or putting in whatever ones that you want and that are applicable for your business. Here I'm just showing you some of the examples you can use. You don't have to use any of these. You can use all of them. I don't really care. I just wanted to give you kind of a view of what the spreadsheet looks like when it's working like it should. I literally gave you 100 categories to work with for both income and expenses. So next to the detail log, this is where you're going to enter all of your transactions. You have a date category, you have a category, you have a subcategory, and an amount. And here I will go through kind of putting in examples of types of transactions and what you can actually do with this tab. One important note, you do not have to put the dates in chronological order. So in the category tab, you're going to select income or expenses. And then it auto-populates into what categories you put in on that category page on the tab before. So here I'm just entering the rest of the information on this tab. And in the description tab, you can put whatever you want. So like for a membership, I put what membership it is, or etc. One other thing you can use it for is if you buy something and you're not sure what to do with it. So say I bought a camera and I wasn't sure if I should depreciate it or expense it. That will be a good question for your CPA come tax time. So you can put that note in here and you can literally send them the spreadsheet and they will be able to see your note and they can figure out the best course of action for that expense and thousands of lines to enter things on. The next tab is more just a current month overview. You can change the month to see a certain month and see what income and expenses for that month alone you had. Again, everything is coming from the tabs before, so it's all automatic and you don't have to do anything else. We're all about convenience in this place. So this next tab is your year-to-date income. This tab takes those income categories that you made and breaks them out month by month so that you can see what you made total for one certain area, or also how much in 1 month. You are also able to see the total amount for 1 month of all your income products. I thought this was super helpful so you can see both sides. The next tab is the year-to-date expense categories, which pretty much is the same thing as the income, but just using those expense categories that you set up instead. Now the last tab is my favorite. It is the net income tab. So this breaks out each month into your income and your expense, and then gives you your net income, which is the difference. It tells you how much estimated tax you should be paying each quarter, which I think is just super helpful. And it does that by taking a certain percentage of your net income that you should be setting aside for taxes and groups it together so it shows your estimated tax payment. I have it set to 30% of your net income that should be taken out of your total each month, but you can also change that. I would also not recommend going lower than 20%. Personally, for me, it's better to pay more in and then you have the chance to get a refund come tax time instead of owing. I really hope this helps, so feel free to reach out and ask me any other questions you might have about this spreadsheet that I can help answer for you. Also, if there's anything you think will be beneficial for me to add, please let me know.